Hotep Bubakhanyiselwa. We welcome you on this video today, and today we are talking about something very interesting. Today I want us to look at the connection between abadala baseKhemu, abangoma abafihliweyo, right, bona abakhulu baseKhemu, and Mudemunchu and Credo Muthu. We have covered much on the teachings zabangoma abafihliweyo and the teachings, Credo Muthu teachings, but we haven't really touched anything on the teachings by Mudemunchu. So for those who don't know who Mudemunchu is an elder of the Bakhatla tribe of Botswana. He was initiated in his tribe as a type of griot that is called a Muchidi, which means one who lives with the ancestors. He wrote a very powerful book called Black Root Science, Book 1 and Book 2. This Bakhanyiselwa is a very special book. Anyone who doesn't have it must definitely check it out. It covers a whole variety of subjects from the creation of the world to science, astronomy, genetics, spirituality, etc. It's a very diverse book. So on this video, I want us to bring in Mudemunchu, in that book, and to look into his teachings in relation to the others, in relation to abadala baseKhemu and Credo Muthu. These three initiates are comparable because they are all from the south. So I feel that it's perfectly fair to look into their teachings as the initiates of the south. And like I said before, there's a difference between the people of the north and those of the southern hemisphere. As we go deeper into this video, we hope that you will get to see how abstract these three initiates actually are and how abstract the initiates of the south actually are. The first thing that we must consider